This dial cost a bit more than the standard version of this watch. Is that actually worth paying, or is it just a prettier price tag? Welcome back to Small Seconds, home of 4-minute watch review. We'd love if you subscribed and followed our channel as we continue to review different watches. Today we're looking at the Seiko Prospex 62 mAh Save the Ocean Special Edition with the reference SPB297. I'm not going to go super deep into their history because the brand is so popular, but Seiko was founded in 1881 in Tokyo and released its first Seiko branded wristwatch in 1924. This watch is actually based on the 62 mAh and is Japan's first true dive watch. Seiko's chief designer at the time, Taro Tanaka, reportedly finished the original design in about a month, and it went into production essentially unpolished because there wasn't any time to refine it. The SPB297 is Seiko's modern, faithful rebuild to that original design. So the watch has a 40.5mm case size that's 13.2 millimeters thick and is 47.6 millimeters lug to lug. This reference is part of a 2022 Save the Ocean trio, each with a dial styled after a different color of glacial ice. This one's a blue dial with a glacier-like texture, and that's the standout visual difference between this and the standard version. The watch has LumiBrite for low light conditions, a unidirectional bezel with DiaShield coating, and the bracelet has a dive extension built into the clasp. It comes with a dome sapphire crystal, anti-reflective coating on the underside, and a screw-down crown that brings along 200 meters of water resistance. Seiko's 6R35 automatic movement powers this watch, and its hand-winding hacking seconds 21,600 beats per hour and has a 70-hour power reserve, which is a nice touch. So here's my take. Here's the actual answer to the title of this video, and it's really two questions. First, is the 62 mAh platform worth the money at all? Some reviewers call it their favorite diver available around $1,000. That's not marketing copy, that's from people who've had it and worn it. So yes, in theory, the platform itself earns its price. Second, and more specifically, is this glacier dial worth paying more than the plain version? Same take for me, direct and to the point. The premium for this dial isn't something I think anyone would turn down, and you're still getting a great watch for the money at that price. So also, yes, one honest caveat though, you can find this watch pre-owned for right around the $800 price mark. Prices do drift, and since this is special edition, it could cost more in the future. However, if you're in the market for one, definitely hunt secondhand. It's worth checking out. That is all for our review today. If you found this useful, please subscribe or check out our online store, smallsecondswatchreviews.com, for other brands that we currently carry and we're an authorized dealer of. It's always the right time for a new watch. Cheers and have an awesome week.